Your Add Records page is where you add new materials to your projects in Matrak. Every material has its associated unique ID, which makes it possible to track and hold important information against. These unique IDs also make it easy to access or update any material easily in Matrak. We know that for some projects, generic materials like joinery, lighting, or other loose items are a dime a dozen, and no one has time to enter unique IDs for large quantities of materials. To avoid the headache, you can use the quantity column in your table to batch upload large quantities of the same material, without having to deal with the hassle of entering unique IDs for each item uploaded. To upload large quantities of the same material in Matrak, firstly enter your material ID and the relevant information in the table, or copy and paste from your packing lists or Excel. For any materials with quantities larger than 1, you can easily create multiple unique IDs by entering in the number of materials under the quantity column. Enter in your desired amount and hit Create to auto-generate unique IDs for every material uploaded.